J Progress is calling out one Kevin over his social media behavior surrounding Vybz Kartel. How does this look for a grown man with kids and a family? Going online every day, crashing out over Kartel, disrespecting people, claiming top Gaza blogger status. So the question becomes, is this real loyalty or is this obsession? Is this support or self-disrespect?
Me supporters them a beat me. I say J Progress, Lego that thing with the idiot boy one Kevin. But one Kevin, you have to understand this. There's a difference between a content creator and a man with turn on him phone and make be nice. And the second time this you run out and ball out J Progress name. And when J Progress answer a call, you run go hide and put your tail between your leg like some little bitch. Bro, me tell you this already. Me are the blogger out here. Wait, no make no sense you call me name. You understand? I am the type of blogger we drop 15 video without break a sweat. You are not a content creator. You make nice and you have to have something to make nice about. That is the big difference. When there is a nice maker, never you size up with a content creator. Me know me crush your can. But me have to tell you, brother, the way of it channel your trauma because your father molest you is not coming out on social media and dissing everybody. There is help out there, brother. It's a sad situation to talk about, but there is help out there. You channeling your trauma by cussing everybody and sending up under them mother and one of Batman from one of Batman. Brother, you're not too old to seek the help if that still bother you. It's unfortunate what your father do to you, but this is not the way to go about it. Seek the right help and support that you need. And brother, let me tell you this. You see when you hear the name J Progress, stop, size up. Every time you do it, me show the world that is a mongrel dog will make beer nice with rubber teeth. When you hear J Progress blog, shut your mouth. Cause you know say this a fire, you a different fire. We are not just any blogger out here. We know what we think. We are content creator. We don't just come on social media, come chat. You hear? So one Kevin, don't make this happen again. Don't make it happen again. So anytime you hear me make me chat, shut your mouth. Because you always do it and shame yourself. Don't run out again when you hear J Progress make him talk. Because anytime you do it, me always a go shame you. Because it's that easy. Believe.